Good morning, all of you. 11th Chemistry, Unit 1, Basic Concept of Chemistry and Chemical Calculation, first unit. Under this, in this video, we are going to discuss about the calculation based on stoichiometry, balanced chemical equation. Problem number 4, in page number 15, how much volume of chlorine is required to form 11.2 liters of HCl at 273 Kelvin and at 1 atmospheric pressure. First, we have to write the equation for the given problem. Hydrochloric acid is formed from hydrogen and chlorine. H2 in gaseous state combined with the Cl2, which is also in gaseous state, gives HCl in gaseous state. 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine. We know at standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of any gas occupying 22.4 liter. Which volume is asked? Our question is how much volume of chlorine is asked? Volume. And volume of HCl is given. So, in this equation, HCl is a given value and chlorine is a question value. The given value should be written in the left side when you write this sentence, and the question molecule should be written on the right side. Molar volume is a constant value. We know 1 mole of any gas occupying 22.4 liter. HCl, before that it is stoichiometric coefficient is 2. Therefore, 2 into 22.4 equal to 44.8 liters of HCl are formed in this equation. Now, I write this sentence first. 22.4 liters of chlorine, it is a question, therefore it should be right hand side. 44.8 liters of HCl are formed from 22.4 liters of chlorine. This should be on the left hand side, chlorine on the right hand side. 44.8 liters of HCl are formed from 22.4 liter of chlorine. Now, come to the problem. 11.2 liter of HCl are formed from, how to solve it? 11.2 liter of HCl are formed from cross multiplication divided by this value. When you cross multiply, you will get 11.2 into 22.4 divided by 44.8. 122.4 and how many 22.4 in 44.8 2. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10, remaining 1 12, 6 2s are 12. So, what is the answer? 5 liter of chlorine is required, that is the answer. 5.6 liter of chlorine is required to prepare 11.2 liters of HCl. The next question, problem number 5, page number 16 in the first unit. Calculate the percentage composition of the elements present in magnesium carbonate. How many kilogram of carbon dioxide can be obtained by heating 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate? First, we are going to calculate the percentage composition of element present in magnesium carbonate. First, now I write the heating reaction of magnesium carbonate. Magnesium carbonate MgCO3 in solid state on heating gives magnesium oxide MgO solid along with the carbon dioxide CO2, which is a gaseous substance. Magnesium carbonate MgCO3, first we have to calculate the molar mass of magnesium carbonate. MgCO3 contain 1 magnesium atom, 1 carbon atom and 3 oxygen atoms, that is equal to 1 into atomic mass of magnesium 24 plus carbon atomic mass 12 plus oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 24 plus 12 plus 3 into 16 are 48. Molar mass of magnesium carbonate is 84 gram. 84 gram. Remember one thing, 84 gram of magnesium carbonate containing 24 gram of magnesium, 12 gram of carbon, 3 oxygen, therefore 48 gram of oxygen. When we calculate the percentage of magnesium, carbon and oxygen, these weight are very most important. And in the calculation, we are going to calculate the percentage composition, therefore it is multiplied by 100. Now, first I am going to calculate the percentage of magnesium. First we calculate the percentage of magnesium. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain 24 gram of magnesium. To calculate the percentage, 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contain. As usual, cross multiplication divided by this value. So, 100 into 24 divided by 84. Now, I cancel 84 and 100. 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 4 and 2 4s are 8, remaining 220, 5 2s are 20. When you cancel these two, 121 is 21, 121. Remaining you have 4, 40, 121 and remaining. So, remaining 16, 9, 21, 1.19. This number is common in all these, in this problem. When you multiply 1.19 into 24, you will get the answer 28.56. Therefore, the percentage of magnesium in magnesium carbonate is 28.56%. Come to the calculation of percentage of carbon. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate containing only 12 gram of carbon. 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contain, multiple, cross multiple divided by 84. So, 100 into 12 divided by 84. As usual, when you cancel these two, we will get 1.19, like in the first problem. 1.19 into 12 equal to 14.28. That is the percentage of carbon in magnesium carbonate. Come to the percentage of oxygen. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain 48 gram of oxygen. 100 gram of magnesium carbonate containing, cross multiplication divided by 84. 100 into 48 divided by 84, that is equal to, when we cancel these two, 84 and 100, 1.19 multiplied with 48 will give the answer 57.12%. Percentage of oxygen equal to 57.12%. First half of the problem is over. Then we have one more question in our problem. That is, how many kilogram of carbon dioxide can be obtained by heating 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate? First we have to convert this value. In our problem, 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate is given in our problem. We know 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. So, 1 kilogram of 90% magnesium carbonate equal to 90% means 90 by 100 into 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. When you cancel, easy cancellation, 2 0 2 0 get cancelled. So, The gram weight of magnesium carbonate is 900 gram. 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate is nothing but 900 gram. First, I write the equation. Magnesium carbonate magnesite MgCO3 solid on heating gives a magnesium oxide MgO solid with the liberation of carbon dioxide in gaseous state. Already we calculated the molecular mass of magnesium carbonate is 84 gram and that for molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. 44 gram. Now we have to write as usual two sentences. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate on heating gives 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Then 90 gram of magnesium carbonate on heating gives how many gram of carbon dioxide? 84 gram of magnesium carbonate on heating gives 44 gram of carbon dioxide. 900 gram of magnesium carbonate on heating, cross multiplication divided by 84 will give 900 into 44 divided by 84. When we cancelled with 2 4s are 8, 1 4 is 4, here 11 4s are 44. When you cancel 21 and 900, we will get 42.9. Multiply these two values, 42.9 into 11 will give the answer that is equal to 471.9 gram of carbon dioxide. When you convert this into kilogram, 1 gram equal to 10 power minus 3 kilogram. When this value is multiplied by 10 power minus 3, you will get 0.4719 kilogram of carbon dioxide is liberated when 900 gram of magnesium carbonate on heating. So in this video we discussed problem number 4 and 5. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.